Hi, I'm Rajat Soni and I'm a teen life coach. I know in the current unique circumstances, you're looking for constructive ways to keep your teenager busy. Now, what if I told you that if you give me 3 hours a week, I can transform your child's life? Unbelievable, right? Here's how. From 5th April to the 22nd of April 2020, I'm conducting my bestseller Paint Your Own Future program, where I enable students to identify their goals and reach them systematically. Basically, I can equip them with well-researched tools that guarantee success. And all this happens online through live online sessions. Whether your child is a straight A student or a football champ, an artist or an explorer, a mini scientist or an inventor, if your child is a student, this is for you. The Paint Your Own Future program is an exclusively curated experience that enables your child to create a roadmap for their future and begin walking on it with confidence that you've never witnessed before. I train your child to develop a growth mindset, to create goals and manage their time, to execute self-discipline, and lastly, use specific tools that will ensure any challenges obstructing them from reaching their future goals become opportunities of success. After 6 online sessions with your teenager and one with you, the parent, a total of 10.5 hours of awareness, acceptance, and action, you will begin to see your child's dream begin to shape into reality. To register and to know more about the program, I have shared the details in the message. Stay indoors, stay safe, and stay awesome.